Hello guys. So if you're looking to change the payment method in your Amazon Prime account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. So firstly what you have to do is just simply log in to your Amazon Prime account on a browser. Then just simply hover over your account over here. Then click on account and settings. Now over here in the Prime membership section, what you have to do is just simply click edit on Amazon. Click on it. Now over here in this setting, it might ask you to log into your original Amazon account. So if that asks you, just simply log into your account and then click on edit on Amazon, and then you will be over here on this page. Now over here to change the payment method, what you have to do is just simply click on view your payment method. So as you can see, I'm currently on a monthly plan. So and this is the payment method that I'm currently on. So if you want to change this, just simply click on the edit payment method over here. Then choose any type of payment method that you want, your debit card or your credit card or anything like that. So just simply enter your details and then just simply click next after entering the detail. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.